All right, y'all, we are on our way to go maybe purchase a Rolex. Who knows? We're going to Moses Jewelry. We're going to get a little crazy. Maybe we'll do the salsa dance. I guess what I'm saying is stay tuned, y'all. Yo, we are out here. We got Moses the Jewler right here. Follow him on social media, yo. Super excited. See if we can make a deal.
Jersey PBAs.
Chrome hearts, man. Absolutely stunning.
I'll take it. I'm in Jersey once every 7 years, but I'll take it. You never know.
Stunning.
How you doing, bro? Everything good?
Very good.
I'm here for a little bit.
You're here for a little bit?
But not like OD, like 15 minutes.
Oh, no.
Maybe 15.
I can't see where you are.
Unbelievable.
That's
Like brand new.
Moses. Moses.
Pretty.
Beautiful. Beautiful, sir.
Let me have that size for you also.
Yes.
Mazal, my brother. We're in good freaking health. C2. I'm gonna need you 1 sec. Thank you. One link off of here, please. Thank you so much. Mazal, my brother. Enjoy.
Can we do a picture?
Of course, my friend. Better. Take care. Where's Roy? He's not here? He's What's Roy? It's Adi Sternberg here.
So, yo, you read my fucking mind, dude.
Big love, Mazal. I'll see you guys in the HVAC podcast. My brother.
Oh,
Mazal, baby.
let's
Enjoy
go.
it. Happy birthday, bro.
God bless y'all.
so
Take
much.
care.